Local news for Friday the 1st of May. While in Alert Level 3, essential work is being carried out on the Rimataka Hill. State Highway 2 will be closed for essential maintenance on 5 consecutive nights from 9pm on Sunday through to 4am on Friday the 8th of May. And the announcement from the Provincial Growth Fund will bring much needed jobs and essential resilience to the regions, says Business Central Chief Executive John Milford. He says the $15.5 million commitment from the PGF to invest in water facilities development in the Hawke's Bay and Wairarapa will lead to increased productivity, sustainable water usage and water resilience in two regions that already have been hit by drought conditions this year. And the ISPS handed Chatham Cup and New Zealand Football Foundation Kate Shepherd Cup will no longer go ahead in 2020. New Zealand Football CEO Andrew Pragnell says our main priority is getting the community game back up and running so that the 150,000 plus Kiwis who enjoy football every weekend can do so as soon as it's feasible. Kia ora for local news and sport.